छोड़ो, फ़ोन वाटरप्रूफ नहीं है।
What is up guys, this is Anil Sharma. Finally we are back with another video और आज का ये वीडियो काफ़ी कूल है और अगर आपने चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और press the bell icon to never miss any kind of updates. And here we go. So friends, I am using this paper bag. In the end of this video I'll tell you how to make this paper bag, and here we go. So let me show you how. You can see the back of this paper bag is cut. So what you have to do is when you are taking your hand inside the bag, and what you have to do is just take your hand out of this box, but in this side you will see that from this side it will look like that you are getting your hand inside the bag like this.
अगर आपके जैकेट में पॉकेट है तो आप वो यूज़ कर सकते हैं, वरना अगर आपके जैकेट में पॉकेट नहीं है सो डोंट वरी, हियर इज़ द सॉल्यूशन।
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah. Lion's gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung. Kids across the land. Savannah.